Hey guys, Harsh here back in the video and welcome back to another card unboxing video. So in this video I have the Topps Turbo Attax official Formula 1 trading card game of the 2022 version, and this is an absolutely massive box. You can see it is not even fitting in my frame perfectly, and the good thing about this box is that if you don't get the starter packs or anything like that, these usually come out later after the original pack release, and you get some limited edition cards all in the same pack, so that's pretty nice. So let's take a closer look at what we get. So we get one game mat and a game rules book, a collector binders, which is a must have if you are collecting these cards, not playing them. Total 18 value packs which contain 10 cards, so total of 180 cards there. And this has, I think, where is it, yes, 205 cards total. So out of those, 180 are in these packs. Then we have 3 digitized autograph cards, 7 limited edition cards, 6 oversized card, and 9 strategy cards, and a digital coupon code. Now if you look at here, we have some guaranteed edition cards. So we have Silver Lewis Hamilton limited edition card, Valtteri Bottas gold limited edition card, Pierre Gasly gold limited edition card, Max Verstappen gold limited edition card, Carlos Sainz diamond limited edition card, Sergio Perez diamond limited edition, and a Charles Leclerc ultra rare limited edition card. So it will be fun to see what it will look like. So let's just take off the plastic wrap and see what's inside. And here we go. So first we have, I think it is the game mat. Let me just confirm. So yeah, it is the game mat. And then we have the front, let's say, cover for our binder, which goes into the binder. And then we have another one which goes at the back with all the cards that we have to collect. Same on here, as you can see. So this is sort of a checklist. And also we get the binder itself, and these type of binder I do not like because they have these sort of hard things and they tend to bend the card somehow. I don't know how, but they do. And here are the value packs, and as you can see, these are differently packed than usual, so it's pretty nice to see a different type of packing over here. So let's just quickly take them all out. And okay, here's the, oh, it is, I think, the rules. Yeah, so keeping that aside and keep collecting the cards. There are so many packs, oh my god. And oh, and we have a Mick Schumacher digitally signed card on its own lying there. I don't know why, but and here we have another huge set of cards. I believe these are the guaranteed limited edition cards and the oversized cards. And we have some more cards on their own. Just let's take a look at them. So we have a digitally signed Esteban Ocon and a digitally signed Lance Stroll. So all the loose cards are just digitally signed and they just decide to throw it in them, which is quite funny. So nothing there, so let's just move it out of the way and see what we get. So huge amount of packs here. How to play card, 3 digitally signed cards, and pack of oversized cards, a transparent card. So let's just open them one by one and see what we get. So as we know, we have 3 signature cards, Lance Stroll, Esteban Ocon, and Mick Schumacher, so we'll keep them out of the way. And then let's unpack this oversized deck over here. So let's just take out the small cards first. And as promised, we have a Carlos Sainz Diamond Limited Edition, Valtteri Bottas Gold Limited Edition card, a super ultra duper rare Charles Leclerc Ferrari Red Limited Edition card. I mean, look at the holographic shine that it has. It looks very nice. Then we have a Verstappen Gold Limited Edition card and a digital coupon code there. I almost revealed the code, so we will just pull it out gently and place it somewhere safe. It does look very nice with the number 1 there. And then we have a Pierre Gasly Gold Limited Edition card. Very nice. Then we have Sergio Perez and Lewis Hamilton Diamond Limited Edition card, which both look absolutely stunning. So there is the limited edition guaranteed cards. Now let's take a look at the oversized cards. So I think we have 9 total. We have Filipe Drogovic. I think it's an F2 driver card. Yes, F2. Then we have Lewis Hamilton. It is number 6. Sergio Perez, number 7. Very nice looking card as well. Then we have Zhou Guanyu, giant card number 10. Pierre Gasly with card number 5. And then we have Carlos Sainz, card number 16. So no repeated cards. That's very nice to see. Now let's unpack this small packet, and I think these are all the strategic cards. So yeah, let's just go through them very quickly. So we have fast pit stop, DRS, base card boost, overtake block, agent, safety car, slow pit stop, race collision, and red flag. So all unique cards, nothing special about them. And then move on to the fun part. So here we have a lot of packs to unpack. So let's just start one by one. And if you look at the back, we can see that we have the pull ratio right over here. So digital coupon code is guaranteed in each pack, I believe. That's what the 1:1 ratio stands for, I think. I'm not sure, but we'll see. So I'm going to use scissors here because I need these packs to hold the cards, my duplicate cards. So here are the cards. Let's just pull them out and see what we get. So we have an off-track Mick Schumacher card. Then we have a 2021 winner of the sprint race in Brazil, which was Valtteri Bottas. Pretty nice card. I already have this one. Then we have a live action card for Esteban Ocon at the Saudi Arabian Grand Prix. And then we have another live action card of Charles Leclerc from the United States Grand Prix. Another live action from Sergio Perez at the Abu Dhabi Grand Prix. And an off-track card of George Russell. And then we have some team cards. We have the Ferrari and the Williams Racing in this particular pack. So pretty nice card there. I actually don't have these. I only have the parallel version of this card. So pretty nice to see this in silver color. Now let's quickly unpack the second pack. And if I do that at this pace, then we are going to be here for a very long time. So let's just quickly go through the cards. Come on, open up. Okay. So we have a live action of Yuki Tsunoda from, I'm not sure what that Grand Prix is, but we'll definitely take a look at that. Then we have live action from Sebastian Vettel at the Abu Dhabi Grand Prix. Very nice. Then we have a team duo of Lewis Hamilton and George Russell. Live action from the Azerbaijan Grand Prix for Charles Leclerc. Then we have a hero card of Yuki Tsunoda. Very nice, very cute guy. And then we have an F1 car card of Alfa Romeo. I already have this, the whole set. And another card sticking behind, it's the off the track card of Fernando Alonso. And let's see if we have another card sticking to it. Yes, we have a team trio of F3. So we have Nazim Azam, Kalen Frederick, and Isbak. I don't know how to say that last name, but whatever. And that's about it. And then we have another two cards of Alpine and Petronas. Let's just quickly unpack the second one. Hopefully I don't cut the cards accidentally sometime. Okay, so we have a speedster card of Zhou Guanyu. And then we have a live action card of Lance Stroll from the Qatar Grand Prix. A hero card of our F2 driver. I am so bad. Then we have a live action card of Esteban Ocon from the Turkish Grand Prix. We have off the track card of Charles Leclerc. And then a normal hero card of Sergio Perez. Another card sticking behind is the epic moment of Lewis Hamilton at the Sao Paulo Grand Prix. This Grand Prix, was very thrilling to watch. And then we have a Trackmaster of Lando Norris. This is the first time I'm seeing a Trackmaster card. And then we have two Tops Award card, which is F1 Rookie of the Year, which goes to Yuki Tsunoda, and Most Improved Driver of the Year, Carlos Sainz. Pretty well deserved. Let's go to our next pack. So we have a hero card of Jack Hughes, off the track of Daniel Ricciardo, live action of Yuki Tsunoda at the Abu Dhabi Grand Prix, hero card of Charles Leclerc, epic moments of Max Verstappen at the United States Grand Prix. Then we have Lewis Hamilton live action at the Saudi Arabian Grand Prix, Kevin Magnussen speedster card. So we have a Grand Prix booster for Esteban Ocon, Daniel Ricciardo race winner card from the 2021. So this is obviously the Italian Grand Prix where he won. And then we have a country pride of Mick Schumacher in this nice silver goldenish foil color, which is absolutely nice if you put the light in it in a right way. So quickly unboxing or unpacking the next pack somehow. So we have off the track of Lance Stroll. Then we have a team trio of I have no idea how to pronounce any of that name, so we'll just, you can see for yourself. Then we have an F2 hero of Roy Nissany, and then another F2 card of I cannot pronounce that driver name. Then we have a speedster card of Alpha Tauri Yuki Tsunoda, a live action card from Lando Norris, and then another Charles Leclerc live action card. And here we have superstar card and a Valtteri Bottas race winner card, obviously of the 2021 season. So for those of you wondering, this is the stack that it looks like after opening all the packs, and nothing too notable cards found here, just except the parallel superstar and all that stuff, which is, I mean, very common. And I only were able to pull out 7 team cards, only 3 remained because I got 2 Williams cards somehow for some reason. But apart from that, I got Ferrari, Alpine, Mercedes, Alfa Romeo, Alpha Tauri and McLaren card, which is pretty nice. So all in all, a great set over here, but I would be more happy if I was able to get the full stack. And obviously the diamond limited edition are a must have for this particular case, also the digitally signed cards. And this stack contains a lot of cards, as you can see. So we had a few F1 cars, I think around 1 and 2. We have quite a few off the track. The one thing I have noticed is that the track master cards were of very few amounts. I only saw around 2 or 3 track master cards, so I think these are pretty rare. Also these team trios and team duos card as well. The live action card were in a huge amount, so I just pulled in a live action card out of nowhere, so that's how frequent they are. So that is, guys, the Bonanza pack of the Turbo Attax F1 2022 card edition with these giant cards, as you can see, which are quite shiny. So thanks for watching this video, guys. Please like, subscribe and share, and I will see you all in the next video.